Hello to all of you who are watching this video. This is the third lesson on learning the sketch environment. In this lesson, you will learn how to draw a line. Okay, let's go on the screen and start the lesson.
I got this magic in my fingertips, designing dreams with every click. Shapes and wonders coming to life. With Katia, I cut through strife. In my mind, the future's clear. No more doubts, no more fear. Crafting visions in 3D. Katia's the key, don't you see? I can reach the sky so high. Build my dreams, no.
Right-click on the software icon. Click Open. Wait for the software to open. Close the product environment. Change the name Part 1 to My Part. Enter the part environment and select a plane to go to the sketch environment. Drag the profile toolbar and place it on the sketch screen. Click the small black triangle next to the line toolbar. The line toolbar will expand. Drag the line toolbar onto the screen. Hold the Shift key to make it horizontal. The software can draw a line in 5 different ways. The first tool called Line. With this tool, you can draw by clicking 2 points that are not the same. Click the tool to make it orange. Now the software is ready to draw a line. Click 1 point on the screen. Move the mouse. A line will appear. As you move the mouse, the length and angle of the line will change. Click another point on the screen. The line will be drawn. The line is orange and active. The line command will turn off automatically. If you click on the screen, the line turns white. Active the line command again. When the command is active, the Sketch Tools toolbar will expand. You will see 4 boxes named H, V, L, A. H and V are the coordinates of the first point of the line. L is the length of the line. A is angle of the line compared to the positive horizontal axis. To enter numbers, double-click in a box. The box will turn blue. Type the number. Note: the H and V values are measured from the origin of the plane. If you want to measure from another point, you must select that point first. I enter H equal 100 and V equal 150. To move from H to V, press the Tab key. I double-click the L box. I type 200 in it. I press Tab. I go to the A box. I type 45 degrees in it. Finally, I press Enter. The line is drawn. Note, because the sketches are parametric, we do not need to draw them exactly at first. That's why we do not use these boxes often. Note, if you do not see the Sketch Tools toolbar after activating the Line tool, right-click in the toolbar area and tick Sketch Tools in the list. Click the plus sign next to the part body. Click the plus sign next to the sketch 1. Click the plus sign next to the geometry. You will see drawn elements, including one line and 2 points. Change the name Sketch 1 to My Sketch. Note, you can also see active toolbars from the View menu bar. The second command is called Infinite Line. When you click this command, by default, an infinite horizontal line is shown. If you click on the screen, an infinite horizontal line is drawn. Activate the command again. After activating, look at the Sketch Tools toolbar. You will see 3 different line modes. By default, the infinite horizontal line is orange. If you want to draw a vertical infinite line, click the second tab. You will see the line turns vertical. Click on the screen to draw a vertical infinite line. If you want to draw an angled infinite line, click the tool, then click the third tab. Now click on the screen. The infinite line will be set at an angle. You can enter the exact angle in the A box and press Enter. Or move the mouse and click whenever the line has the angle you want. The angled infinite line will drawn. The third tool is called Bi-tangent line. With this tool, you can draw a line tangent to 2 existing elements. First, I draw 2 circles. Click the Bi-tangent line tool to make it orange. While the command is active, click the 2 circles. A line tangent to both circles will be drawn. Note, by clicking different points on the circles, different tangent lines will be created. The fourth tool is called Bisecting line. With this tool, you can draw a bisector of 2 intersecting lines. The bisector is an infinite line. Suppose we have 2 intersected lines. Click the tool to activate it. After activating, click to Intersecting lines. The bisector line will be drawn. Note, depending on which side of the lines you click, different bisectors will be drawn. Important note, if the 2 selected lines are parallel, a line is drawn in between them, parallel and equally distanced from both. The fifth tool is called normal to curve. With this tool, you can draw a perpendicular line from a curve or a line. Suppose we have a line. Click the tool to activate it. First, click a point on a line. This is the point where the perpendicular line starts. Move the mouse to make the line appear. Click again to draw the line. Now suppose we have a circle. Click the tool again to activate it. Click on the circle. Move the mouse. A perpendicular line at the click point on the circle appears. Click again to draw the line. Click the tool again to activate it. Look at the Sketch Tools toolbar. You will see that this command has two modes. The default mode draws a line in one direction. The other mode draws the line equally in both directions. To use this mode, after activating the command, click the second mode in the toolbar, click on a line, move the mouse. You will see the perpendicular line is drawn equally in both directions. That's all for today. The lesson is finished. Today's exercises. Enter a sketch mode. Use the commands line, infinite line, bisecting line, normal to curve. Use the point commands, equidistant points, and intersecting point. Goodbye and see you in the next lesson.
Let's build the future. Come with me, don't hold